The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Type def struct intid int status chart tag form bunit create unit intid bunit u pointed u point status int %2 1 0 u point tag 0m u point tag 1d u point tag 2 0 plus int %10 u point tag 3 \0 return u void process bunit asterisk u status 3 / random meaningless flip int main bunit millibar create unit 7 process and mb return millibar point status / fail. Please repeat until 2222 nonsense ceased megabyte time right curly bracket.